Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can make your phone appear smoother using animation scaling on Motorola G15. So firstly, hop into settings and you will need to activate developer options. If you already have activated developer options, you can skip this part, but for now scroll to the very bottom of the settings and go into about phone. Now scroll a bit down, go into device details, and now tap few times on and go into not device details but device identifiers. And now tap a few times on the build number, and then you will have to type in your lock screen password. Alright, as you can see, I am now a developer, so we need to go back and now go into system, add developer options, and now scroll down until you see something like window or just 1x. Right here, window animation scale. And if you are wondering what it does with your phone, what does it do with your phone, I'll just change it to 10x just to show you how this works. Yeah, so that's basically it just says the speed of the animations. So if we change everything to 0.5, all of the animations are going to be quicker or shorter. I don't know how should I call it, but like the phone just going to it's going to look a bit smoother, I guess. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.